I'm Nicole Meline, founder of Alter Movement Practice Podcast and Alter Journeys Retreats.
And I'm Stacie Cooper. I'm a doctor of clinical psychology and a movement and mindfulness instructor. I inspire and empower women to love and express themselves fully.
And both of us have played by the rules of performance culture and conventional academia. I have 4 master's degrees and half a PhD.
I have a master's degree, a doctorate in clinical psychology, and way too many certifications.
And in the last few years, both of us separately started to realize that academia was becoming too small of a container for the breadth of our vision, that we settle for education when what we really want is transformation and authentic community.
So when we began separately to experiment with soulful versions of our work, it actually ended up leading us to each other.
We're passionate about inspiring and mentoring young women to cultivate their gifts and their voice, their authentic voice, and to become the soulful leaders that this world needs.
So we're offering a mentorship community called Constellation and a retreat March 15th through 18th out in the Palm Springs area that we're calling Spring Breakthrough, because you're worth more than a spring break you can't remember.
It is going to be a 4-day extravaganza of soul expedition. Yoga, community building, workshops. We're going to spend a day in Joshua Tree together. If you are craving deepened friendships, if you're craving mentorship with the next generation, if you're craving connections that are beyond networking, but that are the foundations for lifelong friendships. March 15th through 18th, you can find all the details at nicolemeline.com/retreats. You're invited.
Join us.